Hey, what's up, everybody? It is the 13th early in the morning on the West Coast. I wanted to record live the trade that I executed from this morning, the short on the TRY yen. We are at 330, 323 profit. We were estimating about $350, $400, and it is there now. And I wanted to see if I could catch this with the automatic take profit happening live so that you guys see what I'm seeing if I was in front of my systems and with the trade executing. And hopefully, if you are mirroring me, this is what you are also seeing. If since we entered over here earlier yesterday, feels like this morning, as you can see, there are ample opportunities to there are many opportunities to actually get a better position than me, which is what I love about currencies, and which is why people, when I send out an alert, no one needs to go crazy if they are mirroring. You don't need to panic and try to get an entry. Oftentimes, you can even get a better entry than me, and which is fantastic. So here we are at 305. The take profit may execute any second now. 314. The spread is at 3. It was a lot higher earlier. There was a lot of volatility here, and you know, it's, to me, it's noise. The volatility, if it's within range, a certain range, honestly, it's going to drive you nuts if you pay attention to every tick. I've said that before. I've worked on my discipline enough where I'm seriously just looking at either the stop loss, which it didn't even come close to, or my take profit level, which it's now nearing or at, and I expect this position to just close any second now. Here we are at 260. I thought this would close at around 300. I got a fantastic email from a subscriber. I'm going to ask if I could put it up as a testimonial, but essentially, oh, here we go. Here's 270. The take profit's not executing because of the spread, just so in case you're wondering. 240. 305. All right, this is going to drop, which is great for our short. And this should, there it goes. Boom, all gone. There you see, executed. Auto execute. Don't you just love it? I'm going to go double check what that was, but it looked like it happened at about 400 or so dollars. I'm going to look on my phone. I don't have a camera on this, so I'm going to look at my phone and see what this executed at. Activity, $404. So is pretty dang close to the 350, 400 that we estimated. $404 in one day's work. And like I was mentioning earlier, and you saw that live. What happened with a trader, he emailed me because I was talking about, these smaller wins, and he said, bro, $400. He said, I make $40 an hour, which is a very decent wage, and I agree. And he said, that would take me 10 hours to make. He said, I made it with pressing 2 or 3 buttons on my smartphone, mirroring your trade, and I make that in it would have taken me 10 hours to make. I made it by pressing a few buttons and just kicking back and watching it happen. Isn't that true, and isn't that great? I hope if any of you are up, many of you are probably sleeping by now, but unless you wake up to all of my alerts, but you got the take profit alert there, and I hope you wake up. If you are going to wake up to that it puts a big smile on your face, and isn't that what it's all about? That's the third or fourth win we have for September. I'm 4-0. Got a couple of 3-digit wins, couple of 4-digit wins, and we're going to keep this rolling. If you're just watching this, this is what I do at FX Edge. I don't do trade after trade after trade. I trade when I feel it's a high probability trade, and that's why my winning ratio is so high. I'm very proud of that, and that's why I started this. That's why I started this business, FX Edge, because I benefit from my subscribers and they benefit from me. And it's a win-win situation. We're going to take advantage of this liquid currency market and get our small piece of the action. And I hope that everybody is having a great evening. If you're mirroring me, I hope high fives on all the success. If you're not mirroring me and you're just watching, consider the service and see how compatible it is with your trading style. Always take responsibility for your own trades. Stay green, trade green, and take care, everybody. Talk to you later.